In this video, children, we will learn division by single digit and double digit. So here we go. Children, let us see division of two-digit number by one-digit number. Okay. So children, whenever we have to divide two-digit by single digit, first of all, we will see the digit which is written at tens place. Okay. So here 5 is bigger than 4. So we can have 4 ones are 4. Right, children? And then we will subtract. Right? 5 minus 4, 1. And we have got 6 here. Now, say the table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. Fine, children? 4 fours are 16. And the remainder is 0. Yes, children? So we have questioned here 14 and we have remainder here 0. Children, shall we see one more example here? Yes. Here we have to divide three-digit number by one-digit number. So we'll be starting from left to the right. Okay, children? So 8 ones are 8. So 8 minus 8, 0. We'll keep 0 here and we will be noting down 7. Children, see, 7 is smaller than 8. Okay, we can directly put 2 over here after putting 0. But I always say, my children, beta, we know that 8 zeros are 0, right? Because 0 is smaller than 7. So we can write 0 over here. Now 7 minus 0, 7. Now you can write down here 2. Okay. Now we need to see the table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. And 8 nines are 72. Isn't it, children? So now we have remainder as 0. Fine. And questioned as 109. Okay, children. Only you have to take care, like if you are putting down the very next number. Okay. If the number is smaller, do not directly note down the second number after putting the 0. First, you show that 8 zeros are 0. Step by step you need to follow. Okay, children. C part. Here we have now 4-digit number. Okay. But divisor is 6. That is one-digit number. So let us see how to divide this 4-digit number by single digit. So we will be writing 6 as divisor. Right, children? We can see 1 is smallest, then 6. Okay. So you can put 0. Alright. Then write down 1. 18. Okay. Now 6 threes are 18. Okay, beta. Now we have to take here 4. Again 4 is smaller than 6. So we'll be writing 6 zeros are 0. Fine, children? Okay, wait a minute. Then 4 minus 0, 4. And we will bring down 2 here. Now 42 comes in the table of 6. 6 sevens are 42. Right? So 6 sevens are 42. So you can see that we have a question as what? 0, 3, 0, 7. Children, 0 doesn't have value before any digit. Right? So we can write it as or 307. Fine, children? Now, children, we have here 2-digit number and we need to divide 4-digit number. So, children, first of all, I have told you several times that you need to learn the table till 20. From 0 to 20. If you are thorough with the tables, then there will be no problem for you to do the calculations. Right, children? Okay. So, as you can see that 9 is smaller than 14. So, we can take directly 99. Okay. So, 14 ones are 14. 14 2s are 28, 14 3s are 42, 14 4s are 56, 14 5s are 70, 14 6s are 84, and 14 7s are 98. So you can see we can take 7 times. Okay, 14 7s are 98. So 9 minus 8, 1. And we can take 8 here. So 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28. So 28 is bigger than 18. So we can write it as 14 ones are 14. Okay, children. Now 8 minus 4 is 4. And we will bring 2 over here. Now again 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42. Okay. So 14 threes are 42. And now the remainder again is 0. And the quotient is 713. Okay, children. Now let us learn the new topic, that is divide and check. Let us learn how to divide the question and checking of it. Okay, children. So here we have 225. We will be dividing this number by 4. Right, children? 4 5s are 20. 2 will be here, and then 5 we will bring down. Fine. 4 6 are 24. So 5 minus 4 1, 2 minus 2 0. Right? So we have dividend 225, divisor 4, quotient 56, and remainder is 1. So children, what is the meaning of verification here? The meaning of verification is we need to check whether our answer is correct, whether our quotient or remainders are correct or not. So what is the formula for checking the question? See, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Fine, children. So we will be putting the values. Divisor is 4, quotient is 56, and remainder is 1. So here I have shown you the calculation. 4 6 is 24, 2 will be carry. 4 5 is 20, 20 plus 2, 22. Right? So in this calculation we need to add 1. Fine, children. So we'll be adding 1 here and we will get the answer 225. Can you see, children? This is our actually dividend. Right? That means our answer is verified or checked. Now let us see B part. Okay, our dividend is 512 and divisor is 5. See, 5 ones are 5, right? 5 minus 5 0. So we will be noting down here 1. Okay, so 1 is smaller than 5. So 5 zeros are 0. Okay, so we will bring down here 12. Then 5 twos are 10 and 2 is a remainder. Okay, so these are the given things. We have dividend 512, divisor 5, and quotient just now we have calculated 102. And then remainder is 2. Fine. Then, yes, the same formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And we have divisor here 5. Okay, children? And quotient here 102. And the remainder is 2. So the calculation is here. 5 2s are 10, 0, and 1 is carry. Over here 4 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 5 ones are 5. So 510 and plus 2. So we have got the answer 512. Let us check whether our answer is correct or not. See, this is our calculated. This we have calculated, and 512 was our dividend. That means our calculation is correct. I hope, children, that you all have understood the today's topic. Thank you for watching the video.